Hello, everybody. Welcome to RockIT Algo strategy sessions. Today, we're going to release and introduce a new strategy called double rockets that sort of helps you realize 90% plus probability of profits. So, today's session will cover exactly what is double algo rocket trading, why is it powerful, how to set it up, how to trade, etc., etc. So today you may be trading with a single indicator, single strategy, either scalp, short, or long swing. What double algo rocket trading is, you trade two strategies at the same time within a single time frame. So that strategy, why is it powerful? It's powerful because it generates 90% plus probability of profit. So we'll show you exactly visually how it helps you realize that high probability of profit, how to set it up, how to trade, uh, you know, how to manage your trade, etc., etc. So let's get into it. Uh, the most important thing, the first step is, of course, you uh, set your chart to regular trading. So that's one of the most important thing. We do not set our chart to extended trading because a lot of manipulation happens during extended trading. So we focus on signals that are generated using regular trading chart. Okay. The second step is now you go to your indicators. Load your chart with Rocket Algo indicators. So you select two Rocket Algo X indicators so that you can. Sorry, I did three. And then also at the same time, you want to visually see what the profit and loss is for each signal generated. So you want to kick in two of the trackers for each indicator. Okay. So the best combination, what we've seen is, and it's good to start with. Of course, you can experiment on your own with those different combinations. But we'll sort of illustrate a short and long swing trading at the same time. So configure the first indicator to be short swing, and also change the buy sell signal colors so that you can differentiate it between the long swing buy sell signals and the short swing buy sell signals. So here we'll just do black, so all the black sell and buy signals will be the short signal. Now we change this second indicator to long swing, and then change the style to another color so that we can differentiate between long swing and short swing signals. Okay. Next, most important, make sure the profit track is exactly the same as the strategy you have chosen. So short swing and long swing. So we have to change this to short swing so that it'll show profit loss regarding the short swing signals, and change this to long swing. Okay. So you're all set. You're all set here. And now we'll give you a visual representation of why it's powerful to generate 90% plus probability of profit. So let's go back, maybe to the beginning of the year, and just scroll. You can see now the top band shows us exactly what the profit is for the short swing signal, the latest one, and the bottom band for the long swing signal. So just give you a brief explanation. Whenever the background of the profit track is green, that means you're in a long position, buy position. And if it's a light red, you're in a short position, sell position. If the bar is green, a profit is being realized after the signal has been generated. And if the bar is red in color, that is the loss realized after the signal is generated. Okay. Now, what we mean by 90% plus probability of profit, that either the short swing or the long swing will be in a profit zone. So there'll be a green bar either in the top profit tracker or the bottom tracker, or both of them at the same time. Now, when there is a loss realized in either one of those, you will see 90% plus of the time that either one of these short swing or long swing will be in a profit zone, thus compensating for your losses in the other signal. So let's move forward. So you can see there's a loss realized in the short swing here, but in the bottom long swing, you're realizing a profit. Here you have both of them realizing a loss, and therefore that's why we say you have a 90% plus probability. Even more than that, but we just want to be safe in declaring 90% plus. Okay. Now, even when you realize the losses, they're small. And another important thing to notice is that immediately the very next signals will start generating profit for you. Okay, so you'll be back in track into the profit zone. Now, as I scroll back, you can see either one of those are in profit zone. Very rare. So here's a rare instance where both of them are are losing, are in the loss zone. But again, you can see here the short swing is compensating for the loss of the long swing, and we can keep moving forward, and you will see the same pattern. So you will see here very rarely will you see both realizing losses. In note, when they realize loss, they're very small compared to the profits, the height of the profit bars, as you can see. Okay, so this is double RockIT algo trading. Let's go to 1 hour, for instance. You can see the same pattern. Now, each stock behaves differently, so we would just say do some research on your own. And you can see here, even though this is a loss for the 1 hour Bitcoin, but you're gaining a profit on the long swing of 4070. So that's the beauty of it, 90% plus probability of profit. Now let's go back, and you can see again red here, green in the bottom. Very rarely you'll see both reds. And even if you see both reds, the very next signal will help compensate, will be profitable signals. Okay, let's do SPY, do some stock here, see how that comes up over different time frames. So the profit track really helps you visually backtest and see the level of profit it generates. So it's a really cool tool. Let's go to 5-minute trading. Same patterns you can see here, both are red, but here it's red, and top there's green, compensating. So very rarely, less than 10% of the time, you'll see both reds. Okay, and that helps you build confidence. That helps you really trade very confidently, very profitably, manage your trades, etc., etc. You can even go down to 1 minute, and check it out. So check out for every time frame, etc., etc. Now, how to trade? You can't start in the middle, so you wait for the next signal. Now, in order for you not to miss out any signal, naturally you set an alert. You can set an alert right from the RockIT indicator here. Add alert. So since you're doing short swing and long swing, you want to add an alert for long swing buy, long swing sell, short swing buy, short swing sell. So there'll be 4 alerts for every stock and every time frame. Don't overdo it. Manage a time frame. Pick a time frame that you're comfortable with. Pick 2 or 3 stocks that you're comfortable with to start trading in the beginning. Always make yourself comfortable. Build confidence. Once you build confidence, start accumulating profits. The more profits you accumulate, the more trade size you increase. Okay, so these we're going to give you a PDF also if you like a download, which visually gives you step-by-step instructions of how to begin trading. There's a to-do list where you click off every task to ensure you're completely set up. And as I said, lastly, just focus on 5 or 6 stocks you trade in. Maybe some stocks have high volatility, high volume. Stick to those stocks because they have momentum. And as mentioned, build confidence by trading small, build up that profit, and then use that profit to increase your trading size. Always stop loss. Always set your stop loss immediately after you set a trade. It's subjective, so you set a stop loss based on, your style, your analysis, etc. The same thing goes with taking profits. Take profits when you think, you've realized enough. Don't wait for the top. It could slip away. So, as I said, build relationship with the stock. You know exactly that this will jump 1%, half a percent, etc., and then you can take your profits. So, lastly, if you need any support, you can email us at support@thestreet.atm.com. We're also open for training one-on-one. Your success is our number one priority, so we want to make sure you're successful. RockIT Algo is designed to deliver profit. So, and if you manage and strictly follow the signals, there's no way you'll be in a loss at the end of the month or end of the week. Your P&L will always be positive. So take care, everybody. Wish everybody happy trading, happy profit trading, and we'll see you in the next session where we'll be dropping another high probability of profit strategy. Thanks and take care, everybody. Bye.